welcome to your first week of EDAD 701. I'm excited to get started with you. I wanted to take a couple minutes to maybe offer some clarifications. I know for a lot of you, this is your first course in the program. So I want to talk a little bit about evaluation and how to navigate our course shell and syllabus. And then finally, talk a little bit about what to do this week and what to expect moving forward. So the first thing that I want to talk about is actually your evaluation for this course. So you'll notice that throughout the course, things are broken into either evaluation on a 3-point scale, which is you're either meeting or exceeding the standard, you are approaching the standard, or you haven't met the standard. I don't use points because I don't feel like they give the best indication of your overall learning. As part of this evaluation system, because there are no points, there is also no penalty for late assignments outside of the fact that if you don't turn something in by the suggested due date, that you forfeit the right to narrative feedback. So I recognize that as working adults, you all have things going on in your lives that pop up unexpectedly. I myself have 2 young children, so I understand that they get sick, they have activities, and things just can kind of take a left turn when you're not expecting it sometimes. So in the event that you find yourself not able to submit something at the due date, just let me know and include your plan for getting caught back up. And that'll hopefully take a little bit of the stress off of what you need to accomplish each week. Now, with that said, it's always a good idea to try to stay as close to the due dates as possible, just so you don't find yourself too far behind. This is an 8-week course. There's a lot of things going on, and it goes quickly. And if you let yourself fall behind, it can be tough to get caught up. If that happens, just let me know, and we will work out a plan to help you get back to where you need. When you get to your D2L shell, the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to your content. We're in week 1, so we're going to be looking at module 1. This is going to give you a little bit of an overview of the course in this first module and talk a little bit about what you're going to be doing. The bulk of what you need to look at is in the reading and writing assignments. So you are going to, this week, familiarize yourself with the syllabus if you haven't done that already. You're going to write an introductory post by tomorrow. You don't have to respond to anybody. Basically, I just want you to introduce yourself to your classmates. There'll be a prompt here in Module 1, Getting Acquainted. This is where you submit. And then we jump into the real meat of the first module, which is that you're going to complete the questionnaire in your text. You don't turn in the actual questionnaire, but you will reflect on the results in your leadership journal. You can draw on things from your reading as well. So this is the order that I want you to complete things in. So do the questionnaire, do the reading, do the journal reflection. You don't reply to leadership journal entries. You just post them and that's it. And then the last thing that I want you to do is to familiarize yourself with the NELP standards. These are the standards for building leaders that you're going to see over and over again throughout the program. Now, for your 2 posts this week, in the discussion, Getting Acquainted, this will take you to the discussion. This is what I'd like you to do. Introduce yourself to your peers. Let us know what you do in your current role and what you hope to do in the future. And then tell us why you decided to pursue the degree, what you're hoping to gain from the coursework. And again, anything that you're nervous about. This is a good time for me to kind of get an idea of what your life looks like and to offer some insight. If you've got any pictures of your family, please include those. Makes things a little more fun when we can see your face and connect it to the name. If we look at your leadership journal, we're also going to go to a discussion for that. This is going to give you the information that you need to do. So you're only looking to write about 300 words based on the questionnaire. And I want you to make sure that you answer these 3 questions in your journals. What did you learn about school leadership? What did you learn about yourself as a leader? And what do the results of the questionnaire mean to you as you develop as a school leader? And that's it for the week. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I'm always happy to help.